Well, hello there. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and I do encourage you to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any future uploads. Now today I'm going to be showing you how to apply magnetic false lashes. I see so many people struggling with how to put these on and using their fingers and their nails, and I have the best hack for you. You see this metal false eyelash applicator? Well, guess what? You can use it with the magnetic lashes. You apply the magnet to the metal like so. Right? So you got your bottom ones on right there. Or your top, whichever. And the magnet holds on the opposite side. Then you apply the under or top other lash to the bottom part. And make sure they're lined up like so. And looks pretty simple, right? And then you go ahead and pop it on to your eyelashes. When you do the closing motion, it brings the magnets of the top and the bottom together and clasps them as close to your skin on your lashes as you possibly can. It is the absolutely perfect method to putting on magnetic false lashes to get them nice and close to your eye. So yeah, I hope I saved you a shit ton of time, and this is an amazing hack, an amazing find, and I just really wanted to share it with you guys. I know I don't have makeup, I know my brows look like complete shit, but let's look past that fact and acknowledge that I just saved you a bunch of time on magnetic lashes and possibly you hating them, because you're gonna love them now, because applying them is super simple. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful, okay? Bye!